critter tracks down on that sandbar.
Yep, it sure is.
Man, if we was down on the broad on that cabin, we'd have to just, mercy, hang around the fireplace. Set out a few trout lines. Being down here in this and seeing that and listening to the sounds, it makes you want to just slow down and take stock of yourself. Where you been, where you at, and where you going. Your failures as well as your successes. Your triumphs and defeats. Your lost love. It don't matter none. Not the end. Of all the waterfalls we saw this past weekend, this one is kind of special. It's so close to us. Just a little one. But it's ours. Nobody else comes down here. And one day we're going to have that fire going. Let's work our way back down to the other creek and back up and see what we see. Adios from Camp Creek, February the 12th, 2014.